Hey guys, my name's Luana and I'm here to show you that young adults gotta cook. In today's episode, we'll be making spam musubis. It originates from the islands of Hawaii and it's just a fun snack that you can make and take with you wherever you go. To the beach, to the park, for lunch at work, just toss it in your bag. Usually you can find them at convenience stores in Hawaii, but they're just as easy to make. I mean, I've been making them and eating them as long as I can remember, and I'm here to show you that we can do this. Let's get started. There are 3 ingredients in spam musubis. We have nori, spam, as well as a medium grain Calrose rice, shoyu sugar, Japanese pickled plum or umeboshi, and we also have furikake, all of which are optional. Start off by cutting the spam into 9 pieces. You can cut them to any thickness you'd like, but just remember the thicker they are, the saltier they'll be. On medium-high heat, you'll cook the spam until they're golden brown on both sides, kind of like this. When the spam is done, remove it from the pan, and as an optional step, you can add 2 tablespoons each of shoyu and sugar and cook the glaze down until it's nice and thick. Be careful not to burn it, and make sure to turn your stove off. You're going to take a strip of nori. There are 2 sides of nori, a shiny side and a rough side. This is the rough side, and that's the shiny side. Make sure the rough side is facing up. Place your musubi maker down and add about 1/3 cup of white rice. Spread it in your musubi maker evenly. After you finish, push down on the musubi maker firmly. Place 1 piece of spam on top of the rice and grab 1 grain of rice to use as a seal on one side of the nori. Alright, and there you have it. You made your first musubi. Look at it. Doesn't it look so delicious? Yum! The rest of the video is me making different spam musubi variations with the other optional ingredients. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, also follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more future videos, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!